Hello everyone, this is Anaish. I am 14 years old and I am learning Premiere Pro from my father, who is a professional video editor, and I also wanna be the one too. And today I am going to show you guys that what a professional, clean and organized workspace in Premiere Pro looks like. And I also believe that if you have a perfect, organized, clean and professional workspace in Premiere Pro, you can add it 10 times faster. So let's just begin without wasting any time. And one more thing before we get started, please don't judge me as I am still learning and I will keep improving with every single video. Now this is what Premiere Pro mostly look like when you open it for the first time after installation. As you can see, there are a lot of panels, while some of them are useful and many of them are not even used for basic editings. So the first thing I'd like to do is remove extra panels like this. Audio track mixer, I've never used this for editing, and audio clip mixer, if you use them you can keep them, but I don't use, so I will not keep them as they are taking extra space. Now here, media browser, it is not used, so I'm gonna remove it. I'm also gonna remove libraries. From here I am gonna remove info, essential sound, Lumetri colors, metadata, markers, history, events, time code. Now look at this, how much of the panels we just removed because they were not necessary for basic editing. Now I am going to set up each of the thing and I'm going to put the things on the place from where they are easy to access, and our workspace will look professional and clean. So the first thing I'd like to do is I'm going to put effects from here to here, and from here I am going to put the program monitor from here to the top corner like here. From here I am also going to remove this progress panel because I don't need it. I am going to put the properties from here to here with text and effect controls, and I am also going to drag this graphic templates from here to here. As you can see now, after putting some of the things on their right place, the Premiere Pro panel or the screen looks much bigger. Now I am going to make this effects panel a bit shorter because it is taking too much space that it doesn't even need. Now I'm also gonna arrange these effects or tools vertically, and now I am going to put the graphics template from this panel to this, like here, like this. I'm gonna make it look a bit bigger, and I am going to arrange this a bit here like this. Now our Premiere Pro looks much professional, more cleaner and more organized. It also helps us work faster because everything is in its right place and easy to access. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay healthy. Bye everyone.